My video guide will help you to remove the new unwanted browser extension that is called Email Check Today. The site that is related to this extension is emailchecktoday.com. The developers of this extension indicate that you can get one-click access to all your webmail accounts all from one place. But the truth is that this particular extension actually operates as adware. Once installed, it starts displaying the great portion of advertisements not related to the sites that you actually visit. So, if you see these pop-ups offering you to install this extension, you should not install it. This extension may also hijack your browser settings. So we recommend you to actually fix your browser immediately. When you submit some search queries, you notice that the results may be sometimes redirected through other websites, and then the results may be delivered by some other search engines not chosen by you. Even if you don't see any redirections, still this email check today is not a good extension to keep. So remove it. Access the menu, More Tools, then choose Extensions. So if you see this email check today, disable and remove the extension. I would also recommend that you research your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the website combocleaner.com. Download the program, install the application, and then start investigating your system in order to detect and eliminate all other threats which could remain on your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.